Today, we gather for a consultative meeting and our organizational briefing to organize the Blue Ribbon Committee under the present majority bloc headed by Senate Pro Tempore and Acting Senate President Sherwin Gatchalian. To be clear, we will be asking for updates from the executive agencies. As we proceed, this committee must likewise address the circumstances surrounding the June 4 press conference held in the session hall. That press conference was presented to the public as a Blue Ribbon Committee proceeding despite having no authorization from the duly recognized chairman of the committee or from the office of the acting Senate President. It was conducted outside established Senate rules and institutional processes. Simply put, it was not a legitimate Blue Ribbon committee hearing. It was irregular, a house show, as you may want to call it, a make-believe investigation masquerading as an official Senate proceeding. Sa isinagawang ilihitimong pagdinig, muling naungkat ang mga testimonya ng 18 Maleta Boys. Kaugnay sa di umanay milyon-milyong kickback mula sa flood control projects na dineliver daw nila sa ilang mga opisyal, kabilang na po sa inyong lingkod at maging sa isang pari. Ito po ay walang basihan, walang katotohanan, ni walang naipresentan dokumento, resibo, o anumang konkretong patunay, kundi puro salita lamang. Madali pong magturo, madaling gumawa ng kwento at napakadaling manira na reputasyon. Kaya tungkulin po ng Blue Ribbon Committee na tiyakin ang bawat alegasyon ay nakabatay sa matibay na ebidensya at mapagkatiwalaang testimonya. Hindi po tayo papayag na basta na lamang may darating po dito sa komite na ito para maglahad na kung ano-ano na wala naman po mga ebidensya o mga testigo na bigla na lamang pong susulpot kinabukasan na hindi na po mahagilap. Hindi tayo narito upang magbigay ng hatol batay lamang po sa mga haka-haka. Narito tayo upang alamin ang katotohanan. At this juncture, please allow me to acknowledge the presence of my esteemed colleagues, Senators Kiko Pangilinan, our Vice Chairperson, our Acting Senate President, Senate Pro Tempore Win Gatchalian, and my colleague, Senator Raffy Tulfo. Thank you for coming today.